And it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am back. I got one more video for you guys tonight. I was going to burn one of the Kringle Halloween candles. I never got around to it. By the way, Kringle candle, I think, is launching midnight August 4th. We got to get ready. I got to do a whole big Kringle video because that is coming. I'm so excited. But right now, I want to talk about the Chalice. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. But before we get to the Chalice, we got to talk about where's my clock. I never got my clock because it never shipped. I'm so confused about this. I just looked, and it looks like in my first 3 orders for Halloween, everything arrived. I kind of checked everything off. I got everything. The clock never shipped. Now, the question is, did it get canceled or are they going to ship it at a later date? I'm trying to figure that out. I'm going through emails. I would think they would have said canceled on it because I really want the clock. So, it's interesting because that one is actually online and it's not getting great reviews. And I did see it in person. I think one of the problems with the clock is it's just almost too shiny. It's like all gold. I think it would have been nice if they had actually, I just got a free shipping notification on my screen. It says free shipping when you spend $25. Oh, I'm going to apply that. You know why? Because I didn't really want to go into the store tomorrow. I'm going to order my candles online now because I just got free shipping. That was interesting. It just got a pop-up. I've never had that before. That was interesting. Getting back to the clock. I got a little sidetracked here. I almost wish they had put like another color, like the Chalice. We'll talk about that though. But I think the clock is just like all gold, and it's not like real gold, obviously. Nor is it metal. I think that one is plastic also, and it just kind of looks a little cheap. So we're going to talk about the clock. The Fortune Teller Water Globe I have coming. A lot of people are liking that pumpkin skull that I reviewed yesterday. It does kind of have a classy look to it. I've got the Chalice. The Dripping Rose is on the way. I did not get the spider web candle holder yet. And then nothing else is online. The carriage, no one can find the carriage. And then the snake, the mist, that goes around, the snake that goes around the mist. No one can find that either. So, I mean, that seems to be like the missing product. I did get the snake soap holder. We're going to have to talk about that. I'm going to review that. So I do have some of the snake products this year. So we're going to talk about the Chalice now. So it's kind of an Indiana Jones vibe. It's kind of like an artifact look to it. And it's funny because I gotta say, I do like collecting the Bath & Body Works Halloween stuff because when you look at last year's, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm never going to see this again unless I pay a fortune for it on Mercari. So it's kind of nice to get everything every year, or at least the pieces you're interested in. This thing is really, really intricate. I know a lot of people were worried about the drips because remember the dripping candle holder from 2 years ago, I think? They were all breaking off. I think they fixed that problem. These actually feel pretty darn sturdy on there. And what I like about this is they included these little like gemstones around the center, and it just gives it a little bit more depth. I think they did a good job. There's skulls on the base. And it just really, from far away, this is a really hot piece. You put a candle in it, and I'd actually like 2 of these. This would look really neat on like a table, but I think this is one of the prettiest Halloween decorations this year. So this is actually $39.95. It'd be better if it had 20% off coupon on it, but I'm just going to do a little turning of this here so you can see the intricacy here. I think it's actually beautiful. I'm going to say this is one of my favorite pieces from Halloween this year. It's gorgeous. And of course, as soon as I get more pieces, I want to get the Fortune Teller Globe. I want to get the clock. I want to get more of the candles. I got to order Ghoul Friend and why do I keep saying the pumpkin one? It's why am sometimes I do that. It's like my brain just like flew out my ear. It's the pumpkin candle. It's not perfect pumpkin. It's pumpkin carving. Like, no, it was rolling around out there somewhere. So I need to get pumpkin carving and I need to get Ghoul Friend in the 3-week. I'm going to order those tonight so I can get that free shipping deal, which is pretty exciting. And I might get a few more of the smaller Halloween pieces. I have a couple of app rewards. I don't know. I gotta make sure I have like everything. I did get the Vampire Blood Gentle and Clean Foaming Hand Soap, by the way. In the skull, I got that coming. So more Halloween on the way. I want to do a giant Halloween video at some point. And I think I mentioned this yesterday. I did a lot of the fall creams. We're going to get to fall. I mean, we have a lot of fall left. And then, of course, we have coming up soon. Where's my Chasing Fireflies? Do I have that like handy right here? No, I don't. Where is my Chasing Fireflies? I just had that in front of me. That's a good one. I'm excited about that. And then, of course, we have the Cocoa Shea, the water, the oatmeal one, which is actually really good. I'm digging that one. So we have a lot going on. I'm almost to the point where I'm going, I have so much to review. I did all Halloween today. I just got on a Halloween kick, but we got more coming. Anyway, thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.